Hello everybody, so I just wanted to come in with this updated video. If you saw the video where I did this and I used this to do the stenciling, well, I'm doing the second one for the second swap envelope, folder, whatever. And I decided to try this brush, and this came with the Spellbinders as a free gift, and man, how easy is this? It's just getting right in there. And so, I mean, this is just not what these are for. This is for this, I would say, because it's just so much easier getting it all in here, getting in all these little nooks and stuff. And of course, you know, I still want some spots heavier than others, so I'm gonna, the other thing is, I always feel like I'm gonna break these right in here. I always feel like they're gonna break. Maybe they're made to give that way, but it just really feels like they're gonna break there. And I think I'm gonna stick to the same side and just come in here and do a little bit of dark, but I don't want to do it all dark. We want it to have some variation. But let's see, I mean, that was a lot quicker. Look at how much nicer. So I'll have to remember that from now on for stenciling. These are what we want. I mean, if you saw that other video, if you didn't, go back and look, because now I have to be very careful, because what happened the last time was that this tape, this washi tape, peeled off some of my paper, and I didn't notice it until I actually went to go use the tape on something. Then I went back and looked and found the spot where it happened. So far, oh, I'd say, because I don't want nothing to happen, but there we go. So now I've got both of them. I had to recut this out because I had this upside down. So watch out for that when you're doing your stuff. Watch out, make sure your stuff's all put in the right direction. And look at what a difference. Look at, maybe you like this look better. I mean, I don't know if you can tell with the camera, but this definitely did more detailed and got in there and really did. But you might prefer this more faded look. I'm gonna put this in my drawer. Okay. I have the drawer where I keep all my stamping blocks and all of that. And that's where that's gonna go. This and this are gonna go in the Valentine's. Nope. That's the storage one. I gotta come back and work on that. But here's this one. And here's this one now. I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I start counting paper individually. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm already, now I'm not going to count it that way, but I could. So just so you know, because I just don't want anybody stressing about it. I want it to be fun, and I want people to participate. So, now what I need to do is clean my stencil. And so to do that, I grab my water bottle, paper towel. If you want, you can get some paper. And wrap it in. Sometimes, see how you can just barely make out that design. Sometimes that's all you want, is to just barely make out that design. So you could keep that, dry it off. All I do is wipe the water off, and look. You can barely see that in there. And sometimes, like I said, sometimes that's the look you want. And that's all you need. So I'm going to clean up my mess. So I just wanted to show you the difference, because when I realized it, I thought, oh, all this time I didn't realize what a difference that made. So that's why. So, all right, everybody, have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.